2,809. 53 squared. Now I have to round it to the nearest friendly number, which is 50. Now what goes down must go up, or what goes up must go down. So it becomes 56. Now you have to multiply these numbers together. So a quick way to do is 50 times 50 equals 2,500. And then you can do 50 times 6, because that's your remaining here, equals 300. Now you just add these numbers together, and you get 2,800. Then you have to remember this 3, the number you went up and down with. You have to square it. So 3 squared equals 9. Now all you have to do is add these numbers together. You get 2,809.
What is 75 squared?
75 squared is 5,625. So I have 75 squared. Now, you have to take the first digit, which is 7, and you have to take the next higher number, which is 8, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then you have to multiply those numbers together, and you get 56. Now, you have to remember that if you get a number that ends with 5, the ending is always going to end in 2, 5. So now, there you have it, 5, 6, 2, 5. And now, if I ask you, what is 35 squared? Write down in the comments below.
What is 78 times 11?
78 times 11 is 858. So I got 78 times 11. Now, all you have to do is add 7 plus 8, and you get 15. Now, you can't just do 7, 1, 5, 8. So you have to first do 7, take the 5 from here, 5, and then 8. And then you have to carry over the 1 from here, and then you get 8, 5, 8.
What is 17 times 19?
17 times 19 is 323. 17 times 19. Now, first I added the 7 from here to 19, which is 26. Then I added a 0, which makes it 260. Then I got 7 times 9, which is 63. And I added them together, and I got 323.